In this video, we will understand how to create a package that has discounts on multiple services in variation. Let's say you want to create a package for your valuable customers where you offer them varied discounts so that they can increase their usage for any particular service. You can do that via this package. Let us understand how. To begin with, at the super admin, click on package and go to create package. Mention the description of the package so that the customers can understand it better. You can also upload an image. Mention the package cost. The wallet recharge amount would be 0. Choose the date from which the package will be available for sale. Till when? I'll be making it for a few months. Then you need to decide the package validity where the customers can utilize this particular package in that particular time frame. In this case, let's make it 1 year. Now on the next page, unmark all services and let's go to dry cleaning and choose services one by one. Let's say for dry cleaning, let's make it 15%. For laundry and steam ironing, let's make it 10 and 5% each. Keep moving next. Now you have to decide on which stores do you want to apply this package if in case you have multiple stores. You can apply it on all the stores or you can choose any one particular store as well. Now on the next page, you will get the complete summary of the package that you've just created, which will tell you the package name, the package description, and even its validity. Once you click on create package, the package will be ready for sale and you can assign it to the customers. I hope you now understand how you can create a package which is based on varied discounts on all the services that you have.